I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with unmedicated ADHD. First, find a quiet space free from interruptions, like a library or a calm room at home. Next, divide your study material into smaller, more approachable segments. This helps prevent overwhelm and makes starting easier. For example, instead of study history, try read 10 pages of history. Finally, define what you want to accomplish in each session, perhaps completing 2 specific exercises or reviewing 1 chapter. This structured approach provides a clear path forward. To enhance your focus, try the Pomodoro Technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Incorporate different learning styles. For instance, read aloud, draw diagrams, or use flashcards. This multisensory approach helps solidify information. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by questioning concepts and summarizing key points in your own words. Distractions are a major hurdle, so proactively minimize them. Put your phone on silent and out of sight, and close unnecessary tabs on your computer. During your 5-minute breaks, stand up, stretch, or grab a glass of water. Avoid screens. For longer breaks, consider a 20-minute walk. If you find yourself fidgeting, a discrete stress ball or a textured object can help channel excess energy and keep your mind engaged with the task at hand. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes at the end of each study session to quickly recap what you've learned. Beyond studying, prioritize your overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and maintain a nutritious diet to support brain function. Remember to be kind to yourself. Studying with unmedicated ADHD is challenging. Acknowledge your efforts and celebrate every small step forward, like completing a difficult assignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.